Hello garden lovers! In this video we are going to be sharing the next steps on how we got these little seedlings to grow into these big beautiful transplants that are getting ready to go into the cattle panel greenhouse this weekend. Pepper and chili plants like to stay warm and cozy, and our nighttime lows are still around 39. So the cattle panel greenhouse will keep them warm and cozy, just like this big jalapeno is warm and cozy in here. And then in the next video, we will share how we care for and maintain our pepper and chili plants to make sure that we get big, delicious harvests. We will go through the steps of fertilizing. Pepper and chili plants are heavy feeders, and in order to get the most out of your plants, they need the nutrients as they grow, and also how we protect our pepper and chili plants from pests. So make sure to hit the subscribe button. You can see here we already have some little aphids attacking the young leaf growth. And if you've seen our last video where we were starting our pepper seedlings, we were getting them seeded, there were some that were ready to transplant, and that's these big guys here. They were overgrown in their little containers. They were in a small container like this one. And you can see here, these are adventitious roots. This guy is ready to get into a bigger container where the roots will start to spread out and get a stronger root system going. But in that video, this whole area of the pepper plant was purple. It was experiencing a nutrient deficiency. We got them in the larger container, got them fed. And I don't remember if it was the ninja or the red kitten, but here are the ninjas. You can see how healthy they are. The nutrients are fed through the plant. They are no longer stressed out and nutrient deficient. And it also could have been the red kitten. Those are over here. The same, doing very, very well. And what we have noticed over the years is they could only take so much time in these little cells. Let's see, this guy was seeded on 131, January 31st, and they really should have gotten in their larger container last week. They are overgrown, and that's when they start putting out these little adventitious roots. So today we'll get these guys in a larger container like that. We'll get them buried nice and deep, and these roots will further develop into strong roots, giving the pepper plant a nice strong root system. This group is the second to the last of the little seedlings that need to get moved into a larger container, where they will have more room to develop a stronger root system like this one. Let's see if I can get closer in. You can see here the roots are already to the bottom, starting to pop out of these little holes. This guy is ready to get into its permanent growing location. And gosh, look at these aphids already. So to get these guys to this stage, we will get started with some of this EB Stone, Edna's Best. Fill it up almost all the way to the top. Sprinkle in some Dr. Earth fertilizer mix. It's an organic fertilizer mix. Put in just a pinch of powdered eggshells from our girls. All right, here's the little sprinkle of earthworm castings. Mix it up really good. Very, very good. Create a little pocket in the soil. Pop the seedling in, push it down, get it topped off with some more Edna's Best. Get it packed down nice and firm. And then get it fed with a organic fish fertilizer. Also, over the next few weeks, we will get them fed with a diluted Dr. Earth liquid fertilizer until they get moved into their permanent growing locations. You can see here how healthy and strong they are. They love that stuff. And in the next video, we will get them transplanted into their permanent growing location and share the tips on how we get large harvests for our peppers, chilies, and tomato plants. Hope the fan in the background isn't too loud. I'm gonna grab a carrot. Yummy. Beautiful. And we do the exact same process for our tomato plants. Here is an indigo cherry. What a beautiful plant. This one was seeded 9/26. So late September. It's been growing in the greenhouse this entire time. It's loving it in here. Very beautiful. And we got some ready. Yummy. Such a great flavor. All right, time to get the rest of the little seedlings potted up. Look at this beauty. Remember, something doesn't come from nothing. Hope you guys enjoy your week and enjoy your garden.